Hey, today I came to Seongsu S Factory for Wook Visual Arts Festival. I don't know what it is, but a lot of events like this, I come here and when I leave, I still don't know what it is. I got a ticket from the artist I met from Haebangchon last week, and you gotta pay for like 10 or 20 bucks to enter, and I got a free ticket, so came to check it out, and let's have a look and see how it goes. Alright.
성수동 스펙터리 혼자 오죽지하리 성수 오버로즈를 입고 혼자 왔어 I'm always 비주얼 아트 페스티벌 갑자기 보고 싶니 정말 개아비가 다 되었니 이러니 항상 혼자지 비주얼 아트 페스티벌 비주얼 아트 페스티벌 비주얼 아트 페스티벌 비주얼 Visual Art Festival. Visual Art Festival. Visual Art Festival. Visual Art Festival. 성수동 S Factory 혼자 오지 어찌하리 성수 오버롤즈를 입고 혼자 왔어 I'm always alone Visual Art Festival Visual Art Festival Visual Art Festival Visual Art Festival 근데 왜 철봉이가 갑자기 보고 싶니 정말 개아비가 다 되었니 이러니 항상 혼자지 비주얼 아트 페스티벌 비주얼 아트 페스티벌 비주얼 아트 페스티벌 비주얼 아트 페스티벌 성수동 S 팩토리 혼자 오지 어찌하리 성수 또 오버롤즈를 입고 혼자 왔어 I'm visual art festival visual art festival visual art festival 근데 왜 철봉이가 갑자기 보고 싶니 정말 계약비가 다 되었니 이러니 항상 혼자지 visual art festival visual art festival visual art festival visual art festival 성수동에서 팩토리 혼자 오지 마지 하리 성수 오버롤즈 입고 혼자 왔어 I'm always alone visual art festival visual art festival visual art festival
Okay, so I'm done with the tour. It took me like an hour and a half to see the whole thing. They're using the whole 3 stories. It's a huge exhibition slash party. There's a DJ as well. It's a little loud. Anyway, I met the artist and she was actually selling the stickers. So I bought 4 of them to show my appreciation. And two of them were done by her. And this. And this. Her works are very girly, which is okay. And I bought something. Sorry, mom. This is who I am. And another one is quite similar. Thank you for one life. Pay my bills. Anyway, it's interesting. There are a lot of digital art which I'm not usually into. I usually do work with my hands, not the digital. They're interesting. The live art going on outside as well. My social battery is out because it was so loud and there's a lot going on. It's a lot of fun. If the ticket costs like $20, I think it's worth the money. Anyway, so because I got the free ticket, I spent like $10 for the stickers for her. It's not that crowded, but it's a Friday morning, so I guess it's going to be very crowded from tonight. It's gonna happen tomorrow as well. Apparently, this is a third event. It's quite fun. If you're interested in digital art, this is the place for you. Anyway, so my social battery is out, so I'm gonna head home. All right. There's food going on. They're selling food. They're selling wines. They're selling beverages, stuff like that. I didn't have any of that, but if you want to get drunk, you can do that too. Yeah. So it was fun, but at the same time, it's quite tiring. So I'm gonna head home. I'll see you soon.
Festival